Welcome back to Muscle Car. Today, we're diving into the 2025 GMC Motor Bus, a game-changer in the world of luxury and functionality. GMC has taken a bold step with this release, combining cutting-edge technology, unparalleled comfort, and rugged capability into one incredible package. The 2025 GMC Motor Bus is designed to meet the needs of modern travelers, offering a perfect balance of practicality and sophistication. Starting with its exterior, this bus is a true head-turner. The sleek yet robust design features a bold front grille, dynamic LED lighting, and a streamlined body that enhances both aesthetics and aerodynamics. Whether on city streets or open highways, this bus commands attention wherever it goes. Under the hood, the 2025 GMC Motor Bus is powered by a state-of-the-art hybrid engine. This setup not only delivers impressive horsepower, but also ensures excellent fuel efficiency, making it an environmentally conscious choice. For those seeking even more power, GMC offers an optional all-electric drivetrain, which provides a quiet and smooth ride without compromising performance. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin designed with both drivers and passengers in mind. The interior is a masterclass in luxury, featuring premium materials, ergonomic seating, and advanced climate control systems. The spacious layout ensures maximum comfort, whether you're embarking on a cross-country journey or navigating daily commutes. Passengers will appreciate the plush seats, ample legroom, and integrated entertainment systems that make every ride enjoyable. Technology takes center stage in the 2025 GMC Motor Bus. The driver's cockpit is equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster and a massive infotainment screen, offering seamless connectivity through Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and 5G Ethernet capabilities. Safety is paramount, and GMC has packed this bus with advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system to make driving stress-free. Storage and versatility are key highlights of this vehicle. With multiple configurations for seating and cargo, the GMC Motor Bus is perfect for families, businesses, or even adventure enthusiasts. The innovative underfloor storage compartments provide additional space without compromising interior. One of the standout features is the panoramic glass roof, which floods the cabin with natural light and offers breathtaking views during your travels. Paired with an advanced soundproofing system, this ensures a serene and enjoyable ride regardless of road conditions. GMC has also prioritized sustainability with this model. From eco-friendly materials used in the interior to the hybrid and electric powertrain options, the 2025 Motor Bus is a step toward a greener future. With its unmatched combination of style, performance, and innovation, the 2025 GMC Motor Bus is a testament to GMC's commitment to redefining the travel experience. It's not just a bus, it's a statement on wheels. Thanks for watching Muscle Car. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest and greatest in the automotive world. See you next time.